hope you all enjoy the beginning of the video. I'm not gonna really stand here for too long, but we are maybe an hour and a half into our little journey here, and I got a flat. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, but I may have to drop the rig. I have no air in that tire, and I don't think I can get to the spare with the RV hooked up. So fingers crossed that the next time we check in, we're at camp. Well, folks, we did make it. We got in pretty late last night. The wheel would not come off. So not only we did have a flat, but apparently my shop hasn't been rotating the tires. That being said, we were not able to get any assistance roadside wise from either of the places that we have. I'm not going to name them. It is what it is. They just didn't want to come out there. So needless to say, I just got angry on it, and I finally just kicked off the darn thing. We were able to change it out, and we made it to our destination. So that being said, we're actually getting ready to go to the event that we're actually at today. We are in beautiful Laughlin, Nevada, right along the Colorado River, and we are here for the Grand Canyon Pro Rodeo Finals. So this is going to be a lot of fun, and I made sure that we got good seats so we can share that with y'all. So again, we're getting ready to head over now. So we're gonna bring you with, and we'll see you over there. So we're currently at the Pioneer Casino and Hotel in Laughlin, obviously. And what's really interesting is we sat down for dinner, and they have their own taps here. So we just heard them getting coached behind us on how to use them and how the whole thing works. So we're going to go ahead and ask them so that they can show you. So the next time you're in the Laughlin area and you want to actually have that experience where you can order supper and pour your own beers, you can do so. So see if they go for it.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we start off with, it's 29 cents an ounce for Bud Light, and it's 38 cents an ounce for the Kilt Lifter. And we, if you don't know how to pour your own beer, we do like to bleed the line so that way it helps you out and so you can get a good pour. Otherwise, if you know how to pour your own beer, we'll let you know. it does, when you first turn the taps on, the lines are going to be warmer, so you're going to get more foam, so that's why we bleed them out first. Hopefully, yeah, see? This is why. So we'll let that sit for a minute. You can either, that's actually not too bad for the first round. We do subtract ounces if necessary. We try to make sure we don't have any spillage. We're just going to dump that first glass, and I will reset that, and I'll be right back. So now that we've bled the lines a little bit, the second glass should come out much better. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pour it and let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll be able to finish pouring and top it off, or you can just drink from there. It's all a personal preference on that point.
Tell me that's not cool. So at the Pioneer Gambling Hall and Hotel in Laughlin, Nevada, they have this little restaurant that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And yes, our great server just walked by. But you can come in here, order some good home cooking, and pour your own beer. And they charge you by the ounce. It's pretty cool, I have to say. That's a concept I think that a lot of places would like. I mean, I'm kind of digging it, at a restaurant. Let's not replace anybody, and I'm sorry if there's any shaking. We came to dinner and I came unprepared with anything to stabilize it, but we just had to get this, and actually in the second here, maybe I'll even capture our dinner. Maybe not. There's a lot of barbecue and it's going everywhere, so on that note, you all have a great night. Hey folks, so Sunday now, and normally we would be on our way home. We got up this morning and I was ready to pack up camp, have breakfast and head out, and I noticed that the RV was just shaking like crazy. So windstorm came back through this whole area. Right now we're up to 35 mile an hour gusts. 35 mile an hour wind with 40 to 45 mile an hour gusts, and I'm not too keen on that. And we actually talked to some folks that are also RVers, and everyone said it ain't worth the risk. So Carly's got the camera. She's gonna go out in front of me and show you what it looks like. All right, so as you can see, I'm not the door. It's pretty bad. I don't see anybody moving, hardly anyone moving around the RV park. We're just gonna call it safe and try to wait it out. It looks like the storm is gonna die down tonight and then come back sometime tomorrow morning. So I think what we're gonna do is probably leave pretty early in the morning and try to get out of here and get back into the valley. So we either may be ending the video here at camp, or we may head to back into the casino. I don't know. So anyway, so figured we'd just kind of share this moment with you, and Carly's freaking out being out here, so we'll go ahead and end this clip. So if anybody is out this way, hope y'all were safe. Okay, so more bad news. Carly quit and we're in a dirt lot. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, based on all the bad luck we've had lately, I think we're gonna name the channel The Misadventures of Carly and Eddie. Nope, still kidding. So we are not being followed by the camera. Here we go. We're at the London Bridge in Lake Havasu. So we were able to get out this morning. Wind's been just normal, so that's good. Some folks thought it was going to be just as bad today. We got out a decent hour, it was all good. But we thought, since it was an interesting adventure getting out, that we'd just make a quick stop in Havasu and get a quick glimpse of the London Bridge and maybe get some food. So, and food sounds like a great idea. But we're gonna get a little closer to it and check it out. We're gonna get a bite, and then we are going to drive like hell back to the Phoenix area. So what do you think? That's kind of neat. Yeah. Carly's never been here before.
I've never been to Lake Havasu before.
So you've never been to Lake Havasu City?
City, no.
And see, I made that happen. I'm proud of myself. No. So I think we're going to go ahead and end on a positive note. No heavy winds or nothing. I think we're going to find some food.
It's beautiful here.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. And I think we're going to head the rest of the way back. So on that note, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and the vlog is over. See y'all later.
Bye.